Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Toyota RAV4, and on this Toyota RAV4 we're going to go over how you would jump start your car. So say your battery is too low in voltage to start the car, you're getting a click. There's either, it could be the battery's too low or it could be that the solenoid has gone bad, but in this case we're just going to go over how you would put a jump start your car. Alright, so you've left the lights on or the battery has gotten weak, and so you're going to need a jump to get it to a location where you can change the battery or do some other diagnostic. So start with, generally if it's too low, if your battery is completely low because you left your lights on or whatever, you're going to want to charge this a good 10 to 15 minutes and then start the car. If you're at home, it would be good to put charger on your battery and charge it until it's full, so you don't overwork the alternator. So now to start with, if your battery is completely dead, you're going to need to use just your standard key, because the buttons in here won't unlock the door because the battery is dead. So you use your key, put that in the door and unlock, and then be able to pop the hood and get to this point. And so the order in where we put the cables on is we need to access to here, which is our positive, and we'll put the battery, the jumper cable on there. Now this is on this vehicle, the battery is in the front on the driver's side, and it's right in the front. So we'll pop this cover to be able to connect a connector there. And so in the order, and what is recommended by the manufacturer, is that you hook a positive to here, and then you're going to hook the positive to your jumper battery or your jumper vehicle, and you'll hook the negative to the negative post on the other vehicle, and then you're going to take this negative and you want to connect it to a good ground, not to the negative post on the battery. And a good ground a lot of times is the strut bolt, if you can have access to it. And so the strut bolt's right here, and we have it connected there. And then let this charge for a good 10-15 minutes, and then be able to start your car and see that your functions work there. And then you still may need to do further diagnostic to make sure it's not just your battery needs to be replaced or whatnot. So then once you jump the car and the car started, you're gonna unhook this one, then unhook the other two. Oops. Gonna unhook the other two from the other donor battery, and then you go ahead and unhook that. So you just do it all in the complete reverse, the way you hooked things up, and then just go ahead and close the hood up, drive to your location, and do further diagnostic if needs be. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.